Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sourcing with ApparelWin. I'm Lily. I'm also in the showroom and you can see I'm with French terry. French terry is a variety of terry fabrics which is identified by its uncut look pile. Can you see? And French terry only has this highly absorbent look pile on the one side. The other side is very smooth. This front side and back side. It can be woven from different kinds of threads and can be stretched or non-stretched. There are lots of types of French terry and it's used primarily for casual clothing and infant clothing like hoodie, pullover, and also good for making dress and sportswear. Today I want to introduce 5 kinds of French terry to you guys. These 3 both of them are all 100% organic cotton, and this 3 has the small loops on the back side, and this 2 is the French terry with fleece. Okay, now let me start with this 3 And now I'm with 3 kinds of different German S French terry. This one is the thickest one. It's very good for making the crop top for women, for girls, and it is 280 German S. You can see it is lightweight. And the thicker one, it is 320 German S. It's a little bit thicker and heavier. It's also very popular for making a pullover and hoodie. And for this one, because the winter is approaching, this one is the best option for the A and W collections. It is a heavy one, you can see. The thickest one. And for AW collection, we got another 2 kinds of French terry. Both them is with fleece. This one is 370 German S. It is very warm, thicker. And we got another superstar. This one is 470 German S. It's very thick. And many luxury store and streetwear will choose this kind of fabrics to make their pullover, the hoodie. It is very warm. Okay, this is today's sharing. See you guys in next video. Next video we will introduce to you more kind of fabrics, and you can also leave your comments, tell me what fabrics you want to know. Bye!